Bad news. Drone's gone. Good morning, folks. Brent here with Foggy Dew Films, and we are once again up in the Waiparous Ghost Public Land Use Zone area. This is day 3 of our trip, May 27th today, and we are next to the Fallen Timber Creek, I believe it's what it's called. So we are 2 machines today, 2 machines strong, one being the KRX, and that is with Dan and his wife Barb, and they're all the way out from Manitoba, so that's pretty awesome. And then you got myself and the old man in the squeaky limo as well. So we are going to be basically following the creek and literally seeing where it takes us. We really have never ridden this area. I've ridden it very little in the past, but remember nothing of it. Here's for hoping we can get to some great views and great sights. Here we go. You never told me about no toll. How's it going? Good, you? Good. Alright folks, well, we are just getting started on this trail and it is absolutely awesome. The ups and downs over the foothills or mountain ranges, whatever you want to call them, are absolutely incredible. Nothing terribly risky at all, but 4-wheel drive, low range, and you just cruise along. So we just come out to this beautiful meadow. There was a big thunderstorm last night in Cochrane, and I'm certain out here as well. But everything is cleared off. They're supposed to have another thunderstorm later on this afternoon, which is fine because the day looks again to be next to perfect for us. So I absolutely love this stuff, and getting out here, mountain air, it's nothing like it. So we're gonna just carry on and see where we can get to, because we have never been here before. So here we go. Perfect line there. Okay. Oh, she's a tight squeeze. Perfect. Whew. That was tight.
You're not going to put spacers on this.
No, for sure.
Whoa! This way, Brent. A little more. Keep her coming. This way.
You're gonna be okay here.
Okay. This way just a bit. Brent, this way. Okay.
Yep, keep going.
This way. How you making out? Keep her coming.
Now straighten up.
Yep.
I'm walking this way.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I pretty near went off when there was in there.
It was, yeah.
Close?
Yeah, your back wheel dropped or something
Yeah.
happened.
This way. Okay. Okay. This way.
Can he go that way at all?
He's right on the rail. Okay. Keep her coming a bit. Keep her coming. You're good? Okay. Oop.
I'm not liking that.
No, he's on with his tire though. You can't go this way very far down. You're good? Okay, you can come in a bit. Okay. Bring her straight up. Okay, a little bit that way down. Okay. That was some sketchy.
Alright folks, well we are out in the middle of nowhere and it is awesome. What I mean by that is this trail, there is some pretty awesome views in the distance, but as far as just trail riding, this is a ride. That bridge, super sketchy. A couple of those climbs, not super sketchy, but sketchy enough that makes you kind of go, oh, okay, we gotta, you know, give her a little throttle here. So hopefully we can complete this loop and we don't have to turn around and go back. I'm pretty sure that that won't be the case. However, in saying that, beautiful, beautiful loop. I don't even know what it's called, but if I can figure that out, I'll throw it right here or something like that for you guys, so you guys may have an opportunity to come out and do this loop, this ride. We're just gonna take a little break here from all those hill climbs, then we will carry on our way. All right, folks, bad news. Drone's gone. Somewhere out here. Yeah. So if you guys are out here in this area, I'll show you the loop on a map maybe right now. and you happen to come across it and could return it to me, that'd be awesome. It has a lot of great drone footage on it, which unfortunately you guys won't get to see unless I get it back. So it is what it is. First world problem, have to remember that, although it's really a hard pill to swallow at this point. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna carry on back to the truck and hopefully not lose anything else. Alright folks, well that's going to do it for our Ghost Public Land Use Zone adventures. Again, this is going to be a 3-4 part video series, I'm sure. But unfortunately we are at the end of it. But I just want to say this was an absolutely amazing weekend. We couldn't complain about the weather at all. It was absolutely perfect all the way through. The only thing I can whine about is just the lost drone that happened not even less than probably an hour and a half ago. So it is what it is. Like I always say, first world problem, we will get beyond that. But Dan, what'd you think of it?
That was totally awesome.
And Barb?
Good time all around.
Dad?
It was a wild ride.
Wild is right. Lots of great, beautiful hills out here and mountain views. So in saying that, as always, just want to thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next one.